gonna be laughing when I'm whipping y'all.
They're like old people or like pets?
Both. I think it's just the house.
Oh, we need to go there. Vintage clothing. Oh,
The shops are so cute. Yeah, they are really cute.
I knew it.
Oh, really? Oh my god, that's so cute.
You don't like grapefruit, you liar. She said it tastes like soap.
She likes it now.
You do?
Daddy might change me. I don't know if Ellie changed me. Someone who's never vlogged before. Thank you. Thank you. And our order is in, right? Okay, oh yes. Someone put yucky. It's like she's writing her vows. The unfresh strawberries. They look like ruffles. Did nothing comes out? No. Yeah. They didn't even go far in the woods for this. Okay, it's called Movie Magic. They got me. Oh, you don't know
Who
JJ
wants to
like
wrap
I
their
do.
arms around me?
He wasn't there?
Wait, let me see.
How do they fit?
Oh, this is when he's up in the tree.
I've killed people before.
It does not matter.
This feels like cosplay.
I'm designed to kill. I don't care.
This feels weird.
Wait, say it louder. I didn't feel it. Yeah, you sounded like Jacob, boy.
It's because I can't scream it. Edward, he's like, this is skin of a killer bella. Who else could say they've done this?
Many people. Many people have been here.
But that we know.
You're right. That's really cool. Yeah, exactly.
So they got this shot all the way from over there.
Y'all just can't get balls like I can. Only a ramen?
They're hard.
Yeah, then they probably.
This is big.
I've had them.
Oh, it's not crunchy.
I don't think I like it. Are you sure?
But I mean, you can.
Or who said that it was cheaper here?
This slaw looks so good.
Oh my god. That's so funny. If you want to,
What do I do, boss?
if you want to sit and peel these potatoes, and honestly, this shouldn't take us more than like 30 minutes. Peppercorn, or what is this called again?
I told Anna I know what I want my 30th birthday theme party to be.
What?
Okay, guess.
Angus Dawn's theme.
Oh, that would have been so good, but no. Vampire Diaries. No, I
No.
told you.
SpongeBob?
No.
Boy, 30.
She's the man.
30, not 4.
No. No, I want Sex in the City.
She was like, these bitches are never gonna get it.
Cocktail, what do you like from the cocktail? Like, think like you're gonna be the one drinking it. I fear we need to add some more water to the potatoes.
To the taters?
Yeah. It's okay. I'm not gonna do it. That's good, that's good. I'm gonna leave it right here. Cause like I'm gonna start the chicken and the maybe like 500. Okay.
Dear Lord, thank you for allowing us to get here safely and for allowing these beautiful faces to be with me here tonight. Thank you, Allison, Diana, Gaime, Jessica.
Amen. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoy. Everything was made with a lot of love.
Yay!
But you'll like it.
And this is fresh farm.
I was feeling lazy in the morning. My stomach felt better now. I was like,
Dude, we should do that for the Twilight, how they're like, you trap. Who wants over easy, who wants over medium, or what?
Over medium. Can you put these away?
Here, we have pork.
oh yeah, she's perfected this because she eats her avocado toast with her egg. Oh yeah.
Wait till we taste it. Yeah.
We have big jam.
Here you go, Cuddy.
It's by the toaster. Can I get the whisk?
Jess is using it really quick, but once she's done, she'll. Can you hurry up, Jessica?
No,
No, actually, just kidding. I'm gonna.
here
make
you
some-
go.
I'm gonna make some more.
No, here.
Fresh Parmesan cheese.
Good thing we didn't throw it away yesterday.
I don't know, we would have made Jen do it again.
There's like kids learning in there. Like literally in there. Well, since I'm going to hell.
Anyway. Well, since I'm already going to hell anyway.
Since I'm going to hell.
Bella, what do you think?
Looks great. Oh, I think it is.
You don't have to. Because I want to.
In the fridge?
Yes. Or you know what? No, please. Yeah. And then fill it up with water. Okay, they're open. Beautiful.
I know it smells so good, guys.
And then what we're doing now is basting the chicken. So it's just
And parm and lemon.
and then if you want to put a timer, they're heavy.
Why does
Thank you to the chefs.
Or you send your chicken.
No, we're sending another. Charlie mustache. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
so cute?
Wait, everyone try to be serious for like 5 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which camera?
That one. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Make a wish.
Okay, everyone come and move with me to LA.
When your sister's next to you. Alice! I bet she didn't see that coming. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Another pose.
Let's all hug. Let's all hug.
Jackie, I love you.
Oh.
Look how freaking cute. Wow. This is so adorable.